Have you ever wondered how some entrepreneurs can run a six-figure business without even touching a single product? Today, I'm breaking down dropshipping, the business model that's grown into a $351.8 billion industry. But here's the thing, it's actually not as simple as some gurus make out. So what exactly is dropshipping? You can think of dropshipping as being the middle person between the customer and the actual supplier. And the great thing is, instead of storing inventory in a warehouse, you will ship it directly from the supplier. You never ever touch the product. The only thing you need to concentrate on is the marketing and the customer service on the back end. So how does it actually work? The actual secret to successful dropshipping is not just finding really good products, it's actually creating a great system. So without further ado, let me show you the exact process. You're going to need to find reliable suppliers like Deezers or Spocket, and then you're going to list the products on your store, ensuring that you actually place a markup on those products. And when the order comes in, it goes automatically to the supplier. And then what they do is they ship it directly, but under your brand. And then what you would do is you'd pocket the difference between the actual price and the supplier cost. But the question is it still profitable? Can you still make money in 2025? The dropshipping market is actually growing at 23.4% annually. But here's what nobody tells you. Success depends on automation and proper systems. Now, in my ecom community, we've seen success by doing three things. We're talking niche selection, we're talking supplier relationships, and we're talking about customer service automation. So you might be asking yourself, what are the risks and what do you actually need to start? Now, what I would say is it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There's another aspect to this. We're talking quality controls, we're talking shipping delays, and on top of that, you're looking at customer service challenges. But here's the thing, all of those things can be sorted out as long as you run the business in a way that creates great systems around it. Now that you understand the basics of dropshipping, there's actually something important that you need to know. Now in my next video, I'm exposing the biggest lies that are told by gurus within our community. And just trust me on this, it's going to be eye-opening. And you're probably wondering who I am. My name's Des from the Ecom Corner. We run a free community on School that teaches entrepreneurs just like you how to run a successful e-commerce business. Hey there, e-commerce entrepreneurs. Are you looking to level up your online store with AI and automation? Then you need to join our free community on school.com. The Ecom Network is your go-to hub for cutting-edge AI strategies, time-saving automation tips, exclusive live Q&As, and a supportive network of fellow store owners. And best of all, it's completely free to join. So head on over to the Ecom Network on School and click the join group to get started. Let's grow together in the Ecom Network. And if this is something that interests you guys, the link is in the description.